Here is how to change your Instagram business account back to your personal account, and this will remove the business features but keep your post and followers the same. Go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Once you're over here, you need to go ahead and tap on Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls that you will find in For Professionals section. Now again, scroll down and tap on Switch Account Type, that is between View Accounts on Profile and Add New Professional Account. Now you need to go ahead and tap on Switch to Professional Account. You need to confirm your choice when asked, and this will remove business features like insights, ads, and promotions. If your Instagram is connected to your Facebook page, you need to go to Settings and then Account and then Linked Accounts and unlink your Facebook page to completely separate the accounts. So that's it for this video. Switching back to personal account won't delete your post or followers. It only removes the business tools. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.